In this video, I am going to do Madhubani painting on this serving tray. So first I have applied 2 layers of gesso on this tray. Why gesso? I will tell you later in this video. So now I have done the outline part and will highlight the outline with this pen, this permanent marker. If you don't have this permanent marker, you can also use a normal black pen. Just see. I will use these enamel paints, and with enamel paints we use this thinner. Why thinner? Because these enamel paints are oil based, and to remove extra oil from our brushes, we have to remove the oil, and thinner is the best option to do this. So just open this, dip your brush in the thinner, and now just start the painting. I'm very delightful to announce you that from this video I'm starting a new series called Painting on Random Things. So this is the first episode of this series, and in this series I will paint on many random things. So the first random thing that I have chosen is this serving tray, and I am doing Madhubani painting to give this tray a traditional look. So I have made the surface with yellow, this chrome yellow, and I have used enamel paints, which I have told you before only. This series will have total 4 episodes, and each episode will be uploaded either on Sunday or on Monday. So now I am just painting the leaves, and you know that in Madhubani painting there's a concept of double lines, right? So now I am just painting the double line of this flower. You can see there's a very small double line which I have made. I'm painting it with green color. In this series, I will give you very detailed information about each and every step and about each and every surface, color, be it anything. Okay. So in the starting of this video, I have told you that you have to apply gesso. Okay. So why gesso? Actually, gesso makes the surface to paint. Yes, it makes the surface to paint, because you know that you must have seen that this plate is of fiber, and fiber is super smooth. So if I will apply the colors directly on this plate tray, sorry, then the colors will not remain or stay properly. So to make the surface paintable, I have used gesso. If you don't have gesso, you can also use a sandpaper. How? First, take a sandpaper and just rub the surface. It will make the surface rough, and now you are ready to go. Okay. One more thing, one more reason behind using this gesso is that uh, the surface is white. So if I will apply any color, the colors will come very brightly. For this process, you can also use white acrylic color. Okay. So now I am using red color, primary red color. Okay, to fill these floral gaps, and you have to fill these gaps in alternate manner, because the space which is remaining, I will apply blue color there. So done. You can see, just color the flowers with primary red color, enamel colors. In case you recreate this DIY, then don't forget to tag me on my Instagram handle. The link of my Instagram handle is given in the description box, so please go and check. And one more thing, if you have any query regarding this video or any other video or any step, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer you, and if possible, I will also upload a video regarding that. Okay. So now I am just painting the borders with yellow. So there are 4 borders of this tray. So I will paint 2 opposite these borders with yellow, and the other 2 with blue. Okay. So I will use blue at the last. So now I am using this chrome yellow color. Now I will fill this remaining gap with blue, because you know that in Madhubani painting no space is left. Okay, and this is the speciality of this painting, which makes this painting very beautiful. Okay, so you have to do in the similar manner. This is normal blue, and the same blue I will use at the borders of this Madhubani painting also, and on the borders of the tray also. Okay, so just I'm skipping this part. Just see. So now it's done. You can see now. Fill the remaining floral gaps with blue in the similar manner which you can see. So now I'm just skipping this part. Done. The last part, not last, the second last part is that you have to paint the borders with blue. So I am skipping this part also to just save your time. It's done. In Madhubani painting, we make the borders also. And this is the last part in which we have to just paint the parallel or the opposite borders with blue of the tray. So you can see now. I hope you must have enjoyed the video and found this video useful. If yes, then give your valuable comments in the comment section. Until then, wait for episode 2. So this is the final look.